Okay, hey guys, it's Shadow here. How we all doing? Guys, if you already know. Jeez. Hairball. Okay, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on notifications, like this video, and if we hit 50 subscribers, I might do a Supreme MacBook Pro giveaway.
Shadow,
something.
Shadow.
What?
Record this.
Okay, can you not interrupt?
Guys, what is that? What is that?
Yay!
Why is that on the box, guys?
Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyways, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, and if you guys aren't new to the channel, you guys already know. Please tell your friends. Do all that. Yeah, enter a giveaway. Get your friends to enter a giveaway. Get your mom to enter a giveaway for you. Better luck. Yeah. Anyways. Okay. What was I gonna say? I can't think.
Watch that box.
Oh yeah, and guys, if my videos, if you guys aren't new to this, you already know. If my videos cut short, it's my storage, or I accidentally click off and stuff. So yeah, geez, we are here with Toxic Wolf. Go check out his videos. I'll put a link in the description. He does gaming videos too. He does gaming videos, tutorials, and vlogs. So yeah, he's pretty dang dope. Yo, and check out his phone. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, and right now I'm rocking the Supreme case. If you go check out his channel, you can see it. Perfect. And it kept falling off. It was like a size too big. I accidentally did that, so I had to tape it on.
And guys, look at this box.
Yikes! Why you gotta destroy it? Why you gotta be so rude? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Or geez, I'm sorry, not a Supreme case, a Supreme sticker. Big difference. Huh.
No, record that.
Or
Put
what?
that on. It's military, guys. Why is that? Wait.
Oh, this is mine. That's where I got my army fatigue, full on fireproof. Ha! Ha! And ha! Ha! Ha!
Guys, that's close. You can't even destroy.
Okay, can you hold both cameras? Keep mine steady and keep it on me.
Okay, ready, guys?
I'm recording the box.
Oh my gosh. Another combo.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Now record me.
Ready?
Oh my gosh. Jeez, his camera. It's hard looking at both screens and getting. Oh my gosh. And if you guys want to see it from his phone's view. Okay guys, if you go to my channel, you can see his phone. If you guys go to my channel, you can see, or geez, if you guys go to his channel, you can see his phone.
Hey guys, this is the box.
Yo, I need to do something with my hair. If we hit 10 likes on this video, I might get a haircut and dye my hair pink. 10 likes, that's all I'm asking for. And tell all your friends about this channel. Yo, is it working? It's a boat, it's waterproof. Look. Like I'm standing in water, and it's not really leaking through.
Who is that? Come behind me.
It's Pan. I can see his boots. Here, let me zoom in on that.
Get the box soaking.
Okay. Now he has a rope.
No.
Huh. Yeah. Destroy it.
Guys, this is the box. We just
Yo,
got it out of the
perfect
water.
bike tires.
Perfect bike tires.
Jeez.
Oh, I got the last.
Oh my gosh! They have like full air in them. Nothing's wrong with them that I can see.
Yeah, guys, watch this. Guys, look at this.
Hey, Pan, can you carefully spin me?
Why is there a jump rope? Why is this a jump rope?
Yeah, why is there a jump rope?
What do we need?
Wait,
a
no,
jump rope
Pan,
for?
just stop.
What do we need a jump rope for, Pan? Look,
Don't ask.
Look up, untie it.
Oh, look at this. It's like a... What? That's cool. Ow, but it hurts my fingers. So, it locks that way. Ow. Well, that's a bike tire for you. So, yeah, guys. We're back.
ToxicWolf.com.
Co. So that's your merch thingy?
No. To get those tires. I don't know.
No, just go to eBay. No, we're not selling those.
No, we're not selling the tires.
Okay, anyways, guys.
Bye.
Yeah, I need you guys' support if you want me to get some merch. Yeah, it's gonna have our logo. Shit, I still need to put up my banner.
Family friendly.
What? I use it every night.
Family friendly.
What?
She's not being family friendly. Don't go check her channel out. She doesn't do family friendly channel. Guys, I'm just joking around.
Okay, never mind. There's not gonna be a link in my description below. I'm kidding.
Yeah, just kidding.
Prank.
Guys, that's just a joke. I'm just joking.
Ha.
And guys, bye-bye.
Okay, I don't know what to film anymore. I'm gonna pause, and this might be the end of the video unless I find something else cool to do. I only make a video a day. This guy's making 2 videos right now. Hi, Anthony.
I make as many videos as I can a day.
Yeah, I wish I could. Okay.
Buddy! Oh, guys, you can't see that.
What I don't get.
Guys. And guys, that's the bike that's not for sale.
Hairball. Hey.
Oh, guys, look at this.
Did I say this already? If this video cut short, that's because of storage and or I click the button, which I do a lot. I've already made 2 videos today because one of them film the filmer. Nice security, but it doesn't. Oh, it must not be charged.